Hello everyone. Today we are doing questions of class 11th chemistry on the topic law of constant composition. As you all know, law of constant composition means the definition of compound that the components of compound have same percentage every time if you follow the formation of compound by different methods. So the question is 6.488 gram of lead combined directly with 1.002 gram of oxygen to form lead peroxide. And lead peroxide is also produced by heating lead nitrate, and it was found that percentage of oxygen present in that lead peroxide made in second method is 13.38%. So we have to show that law of constant composition holds or not. So in the first situation, we took lead and combine it with oxygen. We are provided with 6.488 gram of lead and oxygen is 1.002 gram. Then lead peroxide formed by the formula of law of chemical combination or conservation of mass by adding reactants. In that situation, we got 7.49. For this, we have to add 6.488 plus 1.022. Mass of reactant is equal to mass of product. We got here 7.490. Now we have to calculate the percentage of one component in lead peroxide. So I opt oxygen here. Percentage of oxygen in lead peroxide is 1.022002 by 7.49 multiply 100, and the percentage is 13.38%. This is nothing but the simple formula of percentage. As you calculate your percentage in your exams, according to that we have to calculate here percentage of oxygen in the numerator and percentage of lead peroxide total percentage in the denominator. And in the second case, percentage of oxygen is directly given in the question. By equating both of the percentages, we can say that law of constant composition holds. Alright, now the second question is copper oxide was prepared by following methods. 1.75 gram of metal were dissolved in nitric acid and igniting residual copper nitrate yielded 2.19 gram of copper oxide. By this we got the formula 1.75 gram of copper yielded 2.19 gram of copper oxide. As the previous question is done by us, we will calculate the similar way percentage of copper in copper oxide. For that, the formula is percentage of copper by percentage of copper oxide multiply 100. 1.75 into 2.19 divided by 2.19 into 100. And by calculating these calculations, we got 79.9%. In the second case, 1.14 gram of metal dissolved in nitric acid were precipitated as copper hydroxide by adding caustic alkali solution. The precipitated copper hydroxide after washing, drying and heating yielded 1.43 gram of copper oxide, right? So in this part, we got to know 1.14 gram of copper yields 1.43 gram of copper oxide. By calculating in the similar way, we got the percentage same 79.7. And in the third case, we came to know that 1.4 gram of copper yields on heating in presence of air 1.83 gram of copper oxide. And in this case also we got the percentage as 79.2%. Since all the three percentages are almost same, so the law holds here.